Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. A smile is beautiful on its own, but those little indentations in the cheeks, dimples, add an extra layer of charm, as people say. So they can make a smile look approachable, they can make it look sweet and uniquely cute. But what if you actually want dimples and nature didn't give them to you? So unlike moving your jawline or changing your nose, dimples aren't just in their slider in most basic beauty apps. However, FaceApp has a massive suite of tools, including an extensive makeup and beauty lab where you can manually paint in details. So by combining these smile tools with custom retouching, you can fake the look of natural dimples. So in this guide, I will show you how to add dimples to your selfies using FaceApp's edition suite. So let's get straight into it. First and first, ensure you have a smile. So, dimples form during a smile. For this edit to look right, choose a photo where you can or where you are already showing some teeth or a wide mouth grin like this, for example, as you see. So adding dimples to a neutral expression will look strange and out of place. Then you can use the smile filter first. If your smile isn't wide enough, apply the smile filter, usually under the fun or edit tabs. This will lift the corners of your mouth and create the natural creases where dimples should sit. Then you can easily apply skin smoothing over the area. It's kinda optional, but you can do it. So before adding the dimple, you want the canvas to be smooth but not blurry. The skin tool smooths out pores, which helps the fake shadow set cleanly on the cheek. So that's the idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.